Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam. Good morning. How are you all? So here we go again. I just ended up my Urdu lecture with you, and here we are in Islamiat lecture. I told you I am going to teach you Islamiat. So after 5 minutes difference, we are together again. How are you feeling? Are you happy? How was your Urdu lecture? Did you enjoy that? Same here. Islam. What is your favorite subject? Oh, mostly of you like English. Me too like English. I too like English. But Islamiat too. I really like Islamiat. Do you remember what's my name? Yes, Faradiba. I'm going to teach you Islamiat also. So tell me, what is our religion? Yes, our religion is Islamiat, and we are going to learn about Islamiat today in different things, in different ways. Islam tells us the good ways of living, good ways to live life. First of all, I need to introduce you the class rules again, because in every class I need to make you revise these things so you could not forget this. Okay, this will be really nice to introduce you these rules here and now. First of all, looking eyes mean you need to see everything. Like I showed you this chart now, you people should know that what is made on this chart or what is made on this. Okay, so looking eyes, then listening ears. Show me your ears. Show me your ears fast, 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 fast. And also stretch your ears like this, like this. So your mind will wake up. And last is quiet voices. Be quiet and don't make a noise. Because if you will make a noise, I would not be able to tell you anything and I could not hear you properly. Now you can hear me. And for that, your cameras should be on all the time. Because I want to see my students, what are they doing? Because I really like them. Do you like your teacher? Same here, I like you too. The students, these are our class rules. And for this, I am gonna tell you something that you should have to follow them very nicely, because if you will follow the class rules, your class will be very attractive and very informative as well. Otherwise, if you will not follow the rules, I would not be able to explain you or tell you anything in detail. Then might be something will be left and you could not be able to hear it properly. Okay, so you all are with me? That's nice. This is what I expect from you all. So, my students, we are gonna learn about and know about Islamiyat. Like the way we have introduced our books of Urdu, same we are gonna do with our Islamiyat books. I am gonna show you the book. Pick up your book and tell me, is it available with you or not? Is it visible to you all? One, Islamiyat for primary classes, second edition, published by Oxford. One, Islamiyat for primary classes, second edition, Oxford. Open the book, and this is the author of it. Sajida Zaidi has written it for us with all details. In Urdu, I told you the Fehris one, if you remember. Here it is the contents. Here are the contents, okay? On the content page, what do you find? Yes, you can be able to know about the chapter, where we can find the chapter. So students, this is the intro of our book. This is our Islamiyat book. We are going to read this book and we are going to read about this book. We are going to learn about the very first topic, that is called memorization and translation. Mean you need to memorize that one thing, and you should know the translation of that thing also, because it is our Islamiyat book, and in this we are going to memorize the things in Arabic language. We people are not Arabs. We are not we are not from Arabia land. We do not understand Arabic language. So for that, you need to translate in English. Then you can come to know that what is the message has been given to us. Okay. Unit number 1, memorization and translation. This is our very first topic. Before reciting or before reading it on myself, on my behalf, I'm gonna show you a video of our channel, our Edward News channel. You will come to know which thing we are gonna read today or recite today. The video is for your best pronunciation, so you can able to recite it well, because it is our Arabic language and it is important for us to know it well. Uh, have you ever seen something scary or dangerous around you? Like you people think, oh my God, I would be scared with it. So for that, I have a remedy today. I have a solution for it. I am gonna show you a video of something really very interesting. Okay, let us see and let us hear it properly without interruption. Okay, here it goes.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Taawuz, protection from evil shaitan. Oh my God, who has come? I'm scared. Oh my God. My heart got pumped.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
So, what did you see? What did you see there? A devil, a scary face. Are you scared of that? Yes, me too. The devil was there. And what was the pronunciation? A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. It is a dua to make him run away. Okay? It is a dua. It is Taawuz. What we are going to read today? Taawuz. Taawuz mean A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. This is our today's topic. I will explain it to you in detail. Open your page. Taawuz is written. See? Taawuz. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Read it. Read it. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. One more time. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. So this is about devil. This is about Satan, who always put us in trouble, who always try to make ourselves busy in bad deeds. What is our responsibility to make him run away? By reciting Taawuz, he will run away from us, because Allah Ta'ala has made this Taawuz or made this dua for us, because he is afraid of it. You have seen his face when in the video he was coming. I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed devil. I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed devil. We say that you need to underline refuge. Where's my pencil? You need to underline. Hold your pencils. Same in the way we did in Urdu, na? We do in Islamiat. Refuge. Allah. Accursed. Okay? Accursed devil. We say with this when we want to keep away. We say this when we want to keep away from doing anything wrong or bad. Wrong or bad. Then we want to make the devil go away. We want to make the devil go away. Okay, and the last one is we want to recite the Holy Quran. These are the three things. Then we need to recite Taawuz. We want to keep away from doing anything wrong or bad. We want to make the devil go away. We want to recite the Holy Quran. Because whenever you are going to recite the Holy Quran, you need to make devil go away. He is always forcing you not to read the Holy Quran. So when you will read Taawuz, when you will recite Taawuz, the devil will run away. Okay? These are our things, and we are having some activity. Before that activity, we are going to stretch our bodies. Get up, stand up. Let me stand up also because I am also tired. I got up when my lecture was, and stand up. Yes, stand up, stand up, stand up. Yes, stand up, please. Now stretch your bodies like this. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm gonna sit because my legs are fine now. You have to jump. You have to jump for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Yes, okay. Fine, right now. Now, what we are gonna do is I am having a very nice activity for you. That will be the learning activity and as well as your mind activity. I am going to write the difficult words on the board and you need to relearn them with me. What is this written? R-E-F-U-G-E, 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 refuge, refuge, R-E-F-U-G-E. Now put your hands on your eyes. R-E-F-U-G-E, R-E-F-U-G-E. Learned? So this is the way we are gonna learn our spellings of difficult words. Now Allah. A-double-L-A-H, 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 A-double-L-A-H. Done with this? Now third word is accursed. A-C-C-U-R-S-E-D, 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 accursed, and then devil, devil, D-E-V-I-L, 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 devil. W-R-O-N-G, 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 and recite. R-E-C-I-T-E, 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 R-E-C-I-T-E. These are our words. I'm going to show you, underline them on your books. So you will come to know that these are the difficult words and the spelling should be learned by you, by heart. Yes, done. Refuse, Allah, cursed, devil, wrong, recite. These are our 6 words. I'm going to ask you some questions. Please tell me very attentively. When do we recite Taawuz? Very good. While reciting Holy Quran. That's great. And to make devil run away. Very good. Okay, then to stop ourselves from doing bad things. 100%. Very good. See, I did. Good. What is Taawuz? One by one, you all will tell me. Okay, one by one. Yes, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. What is that? A'udhu billahi minash shaitan. I am happy. I am celebrating it. Okay, I am celebrating it. Okay, now what to do? You have to learn it by heart. I am gonna share you the video link over here in the chat box for your later use. If you want to watch the video of Taawuz again, you can watch it again. See the devil as well. So whenever you got scared now and you feel like that someone is going to make you scared or something is going to make you afraid, when you are feeling fearful, you just need to recite Taawuz. That's great. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed devil. I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed devil. See, I learned the translation. You should know the translation as well. What to do? You have three tasks. One, reciting of Holy Quran, reciting of Taawuz before doing anything good, especially good, to make the shaitan away. Whenever you feel like that the devil is on you or on your head and he is stopping you doing something, you need to stop him. Learn the translation of it. I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed devil. Okay. And we have done the activity of learning the words, difficult words. You need to revise them again for future dictation. So you should know the difficult spellings as well. Okay. I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed devil. Okay. This is our today's work. I will upload your work on the portal as well for the easiness of your parents. So they should come to know that what is your homework. But you people has to be very responsible. If the teacher is telling you something, it means that it is your responsibility to do everything with full duty. Okay, this is your moral responsibility to do everything. All right. So it was a nice session with you. I hope you liked the class. Any questions from your side, you can ask me. Yes. No questions. Really? Strange to know. I'm happy. Not happy, actually. I really want that you should ask me something. Yes, Tauz is called Auzubillah or Auzubillah is called Tauz. If someone is saying, tell me Tauz, so you should tell them Auzubillah minash shaitanir rajim. And try to recite it again and again, again and again. So no shaitan, no devil will come and attack on you. Okay? So thank you so much for being with me. I really enjoyed my class, my students. So nice of you, so lovely of you. Take care of you. Inshallah, we will meet today. In the next class, if art would be there, then we will meet today, or otherwise we will meet tomorrow. Okay? Take care of you. Love, peace.